Hello everyone, today I want to discuss the framework for understanding the social structure as a holonic organism. This framework provides a comprehensive and unified understanding of the organization and development of society as a whole. It provides an isomorphic reflection of the social structure, linking the macroscopic level of society with the microscopic level of individual experience. The framework can be understood through three different contexts: archetype, model, and guild. The archetype represents the ideal, ineffable quality of the framework, while the model provides a concrete and quantifiable representation of the framework. The guild is the collection of expressions of the archetype, articulated by the model, forming a whole to itself. One of the key aspects of this framework is the idea of the strange loop, where every level of the framework, below the thoughts of individuals, only ever appears in the thoughts of individuals. This creates a loop at every level and a flat layer of thought. The framework also extends beyond the level of atoms, encompassing other scientific models collectively referred to as particles. The framework extends to include thoughts as fully constructed narratives that intersect with each other, creating a phenomena called hypernarrative, and the overarching narrative of all the narratives put together, called the metanarrative. Society and culture shape the collective nature of narratives, which are presented by these narratives. It's important to note that this framework is not objective. It works by isomorphism with experience, meaning that it is a reflection of the experiences and beliefs of society. Despite this subjectivity, the framework provides a powerful tool for understanding the social structure and its development. It serves as the most fundamental myth of the mature human being, providing a framework for organizing and understanding the metanarrative of society. The absence of this framework results in an inconsistent and obfuscating metanarrative, increasing the entropy and disorganization of society. This is because the lack of isomorphism causes the metanarrative to be fragmented, resulting in the formation of many contradictory myths. In conclusion, the framework for understanding the social structure as a holonic organism provides a comprehensive and unified understanding of society and its development. It serves as the most fundamental myth of the mature human being, providing a framework for organizing and understanding the metanarrative of society. By linking the macroscopic level of society with the microscopic level of individual experience, it provides a powerful tool for understanding the organization and development of society as a whole.